What's up, y'all? It's actually Halloween. Welcome in. It's Sunday. I just finished cooking dinner and got me a little cheap bottle of wine, ready to have a delicious meal. Got baked potatoes. I also have baked sweet potatoes and T-bone steaks today. So y'all, I hope you're enjoying your Sunday. Again, happy Halloween. I don't actually do anything. This is like a filter on my face, but y'all know. We just got to have a little bit of fun. Absolutely we do. But anywho, y'all enjoy your day. And I'm going to talk to y'all a little bit later.